This is the Dow 30. The last zigzag leg was 375 pips. So this right here is 375 pips. A micro futures contract on the Dow pays 50 cents. I said pips, but I really shouldn't be saying points. Pays 50 cents a point, which in this case you can call it point. So you'd be looking at about $180 if it retraced the entire thing. The average length is 90. The average bars per leg is 16. So you can see we're and this is a 5-minute chart. So you can see we're probably within an hour of a down leg, which on our average would pay $45. The NASDAQ 100, 147 points, says pips, but think points, where the average is 66, that's 2 times the average, a little bit more than 2 times the average, and the bars here again is 17. So within the next hour, we should have a down leg. And if you look at this and you start, making up things like head and shoulders, if it came all the way down to here, only to bounce back up, only to fall back down, if all that came to be, that's a lot of ifs, you would be looking, the NASDAQ pays $2 per point for one micro futures. You'd be looking at about $300. S&P 500, 50 pips points is average. 50 points is the last leg, which is extreme. That's 3 to 4 times the average. Here again, average bars 16. So within, say, maybe an hour, we should have a down leg, if everything goes to plan, which it never does. But if you kind of here again envision coming down, bouncing off, going back down, best case scenario for me, if you're long, it wouldn't be the best case scenario. You would get, let's see, S&P 500 pays $5, I think. So you would get, if it fell all the way down, you're looking at $250 per micro futures. And last, which has done drug me through the brush this week, gold pays $10. Futures contract, you're looking at 19, let's just call it 20, where the average is 7. That's close to 3 times the average. And if average bars is 17, so somewhere between now and getting off time, we should have a down leg maybe. And if we did have, you'd be looking at several $100. I'm not currently in gold, and that's the reason for it. Gold to me is better when you trade like this, nice slow little incline, nice slow little decline, all this kind of stuff right here. I lose money every time, and that's enough losing money.